Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and this time it is Roccabox. This is what it looks like. This is how it arrives in the post. It's got my address on the back here. If you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their October box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Roccabox is a UK only monthly beauty subscription box. They've had a bit of a glow up over the last month or two. They've changed their box design, and also the products are more luxe products and more full size items as well. The cost of the box is now £15 and then £3.95 shipping on top. Last month was their first month of this new luxe relaunch, and yeah, this is the second month. I've had a quick sneak peek and I am impressed so far. I have to say, there is one item in there that I am really excited to try it and see what it's like. But yeah, this box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. If you're interested in this box for yourself, then you will find a link down in my description, as well as any one-off boxes or limited edition boxes that they currently have on their website as well. So yeah, so let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. So this is what it looks like. Opening it up, we get a card and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, plus the theme, which I'll talk about. Then we got some bump. So what you... Is that an actual word? Bump. I say bump. I don't know. Have I heard that or have I just made that up? I don't know. But there's some, yeah, you know what I mean. There's some bump. I'll give you a sneak peek at the products. And we've got an added freebie in there for chocolate bar. Alright then, so this month's theme is wake up and make up. Most of us have returned to some level of normality during these last few weeks. Summer is over, but with that comes a welcome return to routine. With this beauty edit, we've provided you with the tools to throw yourself into the early starts, looking and feeling pulled together without compromising how you look. This is the kit for giving you an instantly uplifted and wide awake appearance. These are the products that will help you to achieve and maintain a glow as life becomes more hectic. This is your tried and tested wake up and makeup box, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. First item is the item I'm really looking forward to trying. This is Paul and Joe, who do the most amazingly beautiful beauty products, makeup products. Oh my gosh, they are stunning. I tried to get a Paul and Joe advent calendar last year, but I couldn't find one, or it wasn't available for me in the UK. But yeah, I am on the lookout this year, so I really hope that they do this year, as I'd love to try more of their products. I haven't tried any, so I say more. I haven't tried any. This is the first. So this is a protecting foundation primer with SPF 50, which is brilliant. We got 30 mils here. If you've tried any Paul and Joe products, please let me know what you think of it, and also if you've got any favourites as well that you would recommend. Look how stunning that is. Look at it. It is beautiful. It's like a retro perfume bottle, isn't it? It is so lovely. Yeah, really lovely. Now it says here 02, so it might come in different shades. I'll have a look. I'm not too sure. It's a makeup based serum. Oh, look. Let's try a little bit on my hand. Look, it's tinted. What's the colour like? Yeah, the colour is fine for me. It is a little bit browner than my natural skin, but my face, I've always got like a fake tan spray that I spray over it. Oh, it feels really nice. No, that blends in nicely. Yeah, really nice. Nice smell as well. Can you see a difference? Tanned hand, not tanned hand. I wonder what that would be like actually on my face though. If I didn't have fake tan on, would it actually blend in well, or would I be able to see a difference? I don't know. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £28. It's a primer, so it will make your foundation sit better, wear longer, and basically look more flawless, but it's also far more than that. What you get from this gorgeous product is a serum consistency that hydrates and moisturizes the skin, a lightweight coverage that smooths over pores and delivers a subtle glow, and an SPF 50, and basically it performs 4 key functions: skincare, coverage, primer and SPF in one product, so you can save time each morning without compromising your base. It sounds amazing. It sounds absolutely amazing, and the sort of product I would love to wear like in summer months as well. a really nice lightweight base that gives, you know, a nice light coverage to my skin, but also an SPF and a bit of a moisturiser. So it looks like we'll all receive a 02, which is fine, I can work with it. Next up, we've got a product by Mono Skin, and this is exfoliating enzyme, papaya enzyme for all skin types. And there's 50 mils here. It says use 1 to 2 times per week after cleansing and toning. Use 1 to 3 pumps, avoiding the eye and lip area. Massage in and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove with warm water, and a slight tingling might be experienced as well. This is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price is £34.99. Layer a couple of pumps of this fruit acid enriched enzyme over cleansed skin and leave for 5 minutes before washing away. It cleverly sets off a skincare reaction that unglues the bonds between dead skin cells, sloughing them off. Don't be put off by that. It's a very gentle chemical process that doesn't disrupt the skin's pH, so it's actually perfect for sensitive skin. You'll reap the glowy benefits of a tingly exfoliating facial in just a few slightly tingly minutes. Next, we've got a Eyeko London mascara. This is Lash Alert Mascara, Wake Up and Go. This is black. And 4 mils here. You see it's slightly curved there. This is a travel size, and the recommended retail price is £10. It says it lifts as it lengthens, it never clumps. It curls even my stubborn straight lashes. It's genuinely improved the condition of my lashes. Whether it's the innovative Korean tubing formula of the unique inclusion of caffeine that makes this such a hit, we don't know, but we really couldn't keep you in the dark over this wonder product anymore. So there's that. Next, we got a product from Floss, and this is in Marigot. This is a lip and cheek tint. Let's see how to packaging. I love the design. Look at that. Okay. I've got, sorry if you can see glitter on my hands. I was just doing another video before this. For me personally, I wouldn't use that on my lips or my cheeks. It's not a shade I would go for. More of a bronzer than a cheek tint, like a blush. Maybe that's what they mean. You will receive either this one or Villa, which has more red tones to it. A makeup artist once told me that one of the quickest and most flattering ways to pull your look together was to use the same colour on both your lips and cheeks. It's advice I'll always return to. Glide its hydrating tint effortlessly onto lips and cheeks, and then blend quickly with your fingers for a seamless and all-day finish. This is a full-size product, and the recommended retail price is £15.99. Next, we've got a makeup brush, and I like this one. This is by Eyeko Pro. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. This is a 120 brush. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect for detail shading. Yeah, I love that, and colour placement. This is a Precise Crease Synthetic Hairbrush. Full size, and the recommended retail price is £14. This month we've all been raving over the quality and payoff of this brand's brush range. We're particularly loving this crease brush, which has exceptional product pickup and dispersion skills and is giving our shadow a really defined expert finish. Yeah, I love that. Love that. And we've got an extra treat. It's the gorgeous Raffaello. They are gorgeous. I'm going to save that. So those are all the products inside this month's Roccabox. I'll just go through it all, adding it all up, and then I'll come back. First up, we've got a Paul & Joe, a Perfecting Foundation Primer with SPF 50. We've got a Floss Lip and Cheek Tint. We've got an Eyeko London Mascara. We've got a Mono Skin Exfoliating Enzyme. And we've got a brush by Eyeko, if I've said that right. Is an eyeshadow crease brush there. And lastly, an added extra. So the cost of the box is £15 and then £3.95 shipping on top. And the value of this month's box comes in at £103. So way above the cost of the box. I am really excited, as you know, about the Paul & Joe product. I love it. I am so excited to give it a go, see what it's like. It feels amazing. It claims to do amazing things. The only iffy part about it is the actual shade and what it'll be like blended into my face. If it doesn't suit my skin tone, then I will probably keep it and bring it out in the spring or something like that next year. Eyeko London mascara, I don't personally like it. We see them a lot in subscription boxes, so there's nothing luxe about it for me personally. I do know a lot of people do like it. They just don't work for my lashes. They just don't do anything, so I always end up passing them on. The eyeshadow brush, love it, love it. I haven't got many crease brushes. I have got a load of brushes, but I haven't got many crease ones, little crease ones like that. So no, I'm super chuffed to have that. So yeah, overall, I do think this is a really nice box, but the standout product is the Paul and Joe. I love that. I love it. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this for the first time, wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.